Bowl Sunday, and I am going to do a quick tutorial on how I do my chicken wings. We are going to do, obviously, lemon pepper. I have 2 lemons here. I may only use 1. And obviously, I have some Tony's lemon pepper seasoning and possibly some garlic powder. It just depends on how I feel. Also, we're going to do some red hot wings, and I usually thin this out with some vinegar and add a little butter to my sauce, so you guys will see how I do that too. We have all flats. The flats that we bought from our local grocery store have those big bags of them. You can either get like all drumettes or all flats. We prefer flats in this house, so that's what you guys are going to see. Stick around and I will show you how I make my famous wings. Okay everybody, I want to point out that I have my grease warming up at 350 degrees. You do need to dry your chicken off before you put it in hot oil, because I just cleaned it. I want to make sure that when I drop it over in here, it's not splattering everywhere. And as you can see, my oil is not quite ready yet. So I'm going to let this cook a little, let this warm up a little bit longer to get my oil going, and we'll get started. Tablespoons of butter in each pot. guys, this is my last batch. I wanted to come back and just point out the fact that I start off on 350 and I always finish off at 400 degrees. And there's another touchdown for Philadelphia. My family is going crazy. I'm very neutral at this point. If it's not Atlanta, I really don't care who's playing. However, there's a little update. By the time you guys see this, the Super Bowl will be over with and whoever won has already won. So, you know, it is what it is. I wanted to come back though and point out, I went from 350 to start off frying and I end up at 400 just to get them to the desired crispiness that I like. I also only fry them between 15 to 18 minutes. Depending on the heat of your fryer and how many you have in here, your frying time will vary. You need to just pay attention to how you like yours cooked. We like ours a little bit more on the well done side, so I do tend to cook mine a little bit longer. All right, y'all, we are in the final stretch. This is the last round for buffalo wings. I just did that round last because our pizza had delivered and I wanted to go ahead and let the boys start eating. They all prefer lemon pepper over the buffalo. So those of us who like buffalo, I just figured I would do that last. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off on this oil. Matter of fact, I'm gonna unplug it. Put the top on it. And you can leave it here, but I'm gonna just move mine. So that's the same bowl as my lemon pepper. I don't know if you guys ever heard of like hot lemon pepper. It's kind of similar to that. It's just the remnants of the lemon pepper I used earlier. Go ahead and mix up my sauce off the stove. I like mine extra saucy. And I'm gonna just shake it up. Woo. Look at that. Woo. It's spicy. The smell is all in my nose. So I'm just gonna take these.
Yeah, we've got a few good ones around the league. Aaron Donald named the defensive player of the year, right?
And scoop them out.
Pretty much right there.
These are a couple of the lemon peppers the guys did not eat.
Brandon Graham is the leading sacker on this team and a guy that gets a lot of pressure as well. This defensive line now, these are some of the moments they need to win the battle.
Graham had 9 sacks during the regular season.
Oh gosh. You guys, this smells so good. And there you have it. Nice, hot, crispy buffalo wings. Happy Super Bowl, everybody. May the best team win.